Have you ever wanted to escape the city noise and find a majestic waterfall without driving for hours? Welcome to Millard Canyon Falls. It is nestled right above Pasadena in the beautiful Angeles National Forest. This region is a true treasure trove of canyons and cascading water. The hike itself is a delightful adventure. You can choose a longer 4-mile journey or a more direct 2.5-mile trek. As you wind along the picturesque creek, you will face multiple stream crossings. This adds a fun element of challenge as you navigate the natural landscape. Be prepared for a bit of rock scrambling. It might be tough for very small children, but older kids usually find it exhilarating. There is even a unique section where you have to slide down a slope to continue. That is right, a butt slide. It adds a playful twist to the experience. The highlight, of course, is the waterfall. It is a stunning sight that flows gracefully over rocks. The flow is strongest after winter rains and during the spring months. It creates a serene environment that is perfect for photography. Just remember to wear waterproof hiking shoes. You will want to keep your feet dry while crossing those streams. Also, parking can be a bit of a challenge. The lots fill up quickly, so bring your patience. You will also need an adventure pass for your vehicle. You can pick one up at a local convenience store. To see the photos and get the complete guide, visit the link in the show notes or go to .god. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this inspires you to get outside and explore. Happy trails, everyone!